Get ready to explore the new affiliate marketing revolution. As you may know, affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable ways individuals and businesses leverage to increase traffic, leads, sales, and profits. But oftentimes, you must go through a painful and complicated process to start generating profits. As an affiliate, you have to set up landing pages, write the sales copy, market the product via social media or email, and pay for ads. Now that is the old, time-consuming, and expensive process to start generating profits with affiliate marketing. But what if I told you that doesn't have to be the case anymore? Imagine choosing any affiliate offer you would like to promote, and instead of doing all the hard work and marketing the affiliate offer, you let experienced professionals do it for you. They take care of all the expensive and time-consuming work for you, meaning all you have to do is enjoy the profits being made and cash out. Introducing the Affiliate BaaS, the world's first affiliate network that lets you sponsor experienced affiliate marketing professionals to promote offers for you. Being all you have to do is enjoy the profits being made and cash out. Here's how it works. We have an army of experienced affiliate marketing professionals and content creators. These individuals own large TikTok accounts, YouTube channels, Facebook groups, and email lists. And by sponsoring these individuals, you're basically sponsoring them to promote any affiliate offer you choose for them, to promote it for you to their large audience, and in return, you get to keep 100% of the commissions. They use the marketing material provided by the creators of the offer you've chosen to market your chosen offer. And optionally, you get to tell them how and when to promote the offer for you and keep 100% of the commissions. It's that simple. The Affiliate BaaS is literally a game changer in the affiliate marketing industry, enabling individuals from all across the globe to maximize profits with affiliate marketing while putting in little to no effort. The Affiliate BaaS user base is growing rapidly, and we would like to have you join us today. That's why we're letting new users choose any offer they would like to sponsor and keep 100% of the commissions for free. That's right. If you get started today, we'll let you choose any affiliate offer you like and keep 100% of the commissions at no extra cost and without doing any of the hard, expensive, and time-consuming stuff you would have to do with regular affiliate networks. We're dedicated to shaping the future of affiliate marketing, and we're getting there, one affiliate commission at a time. Join the Affiliate BaaS today.